Is it good? Was it good or did I embarrass myself? It was probably fine. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ant. If you're new around these parts, basically all I do is play and make up. I shop too much, I'm awkward as fuck, and I talk a little shit. So if any of those things sound interesting to you, go ahead. What? Was that a word? If any of those things sound interesting to you, go ahead and hit that subscriber button, boo, and become a part of this beautiful ass gang. Because who wouldn't want to be a part of this beautiful ass gang? Who wouldn't want to be a beautiful person? Exactly. And if you are returning, hey boo. So today I ordered my first Gorgius wig. If you have not heard of them, well, you're gonna hear about them today. They've been popping up all over my For You page on TikTok, and I just couldn't resist, okay? If you haven't guessed, this is going to be an I Shop Too Much episode, okay? But yeah, so this wig that I ordered, it's giving a little Rick James, but in an I love it kind of way. It's cute, you'll see it. Let's see. Also, we're not gonna check the drip today because it's raining, it's pouring, somebody's old man is snoring, okay? It is raining outside and I love it. The most relaxed I'll ever be is on a stormy or rainy day. Anywho, you like this beat though? Isn't it cute? I did it over on my tickety tack. So if you wanna see how I do this if you wanna see how I do this makeup look on my face, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. The video is there, boo. This is my box. This is the wig. Now I can't front them too much on the dent and maybe war wounds on my box, but that's okay though. What matters is on the inside. Now I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not going to be as surprised with you. I know. I apologize. I'm sorry. I actually got a sneak peek at it with my daughter because she likes to open my packages. And next thing I know, she's pulling out everything and running around the house and I gotta chase her down, okay? So, but at least we can do it together. We can still review it. So in this packaging, surprisingly, when I order wigs from other companies, normally I order from Sam's Beauty or Ebony or sometimes Shein, sometimes Amazon. It all really depends on the finances, you know what I mean? Not once have I ever received a pair of earrings. Like normally they just give you maybe some clips, maybe an edge brush, maybe a wig cap. This company, hold on, wait a minute now, I gotta find the other one. Where's the other one? Well, this company sent me earrings. I can't find the other one right now, but I'll show you the one that I got. Boom! It's a little hoop, which I think is cute. Now, as you may have noticed, I have gauges. But I also have, oh, don't look at that, that's dirty. Don't look at that. I also have my ears pierced. So if I wanted to do something fancy or snazzy, I could just boom, right in the hole, right in the gauge. Or if I wanted to, I could wear my fancy gauges as soon as I order them off of Amazon. And I could put these in my ear holes. Or I could wear them like this. However I feel. It all depends on the day. It all depends on the mood. It also came with this cute little package right here, and I do be needing me some more cubbies / envelopes / holders / whatever the hell you want to call these, because a lot of the ones that I have are filled with makeup sponges and brushes and more makeup on more makeup on more makeup, okay? So the fact that this came with this, oh, I'm gonna be utilizing this, okay? This gonna get used. Inside of it are a couple of clippity clip clippersons, some neat little bobby pins, because you know those always disappear. They're just like hair ties. This stretchy thing, I think I know what this is for. Like for the girls who don't like to have the little combs in the back of the wig, which I'll show you in a little bit, but like they can normally snip those out and then they sew this in so they could just like pull it over and have this stretchy band. So that's very considerate. That's very nice. Another one of these, I have these all over my house, okay? These little edge control brush looking things, I have them all over my house. I should clean them because they're hard and crusty. They're Ford tough, okay? Like a rock. But it's nice to have one, you know, given to me. And then last but not least, they give you some tweezers. I wouldn't say that these are probably the most or best reliable tweezers, but they're probably just good enough for the girls who like to pluck. Ain't me, because I don't know how. My luck, I'll over pluck the shit out of this wig. I don't know why I said last but not least with the tweezers, because last but not least would be the wig itself, right? So here is what the wig comes inside of the box. Now this is the wig that I ordered. Boom, bam. I told you I'm going through like a Rick James thing right now. I don't know why they say Rick James. Did he have curly hair? Because all I'm seeing is the one with the braids and the bangs, the braided bangs. Doesn't matter. Anyways, we're gonna see what she looks like on me. Take it out of the packaging. This is straight out of the thing. So I like the loose curls on it, and I like that I wanted something that I could literally just throw on my head and go. So on those days where, you know, I got it all braided up and I got the wig cap on, I don't have to like debate on, oh damn, now I gotta go find a wig and I gotta lace it and I gotta do this. I could just literally throw this bit on and go. And I like that. I like that a lot. Oh! This is genuine. I'm genuinely surprised because I didn't think that it had the combs on there. So, you know, this, hold on, where'd it go? This little stretchy thing that I showed you earlier, it's a spare because the wig itself actually has one in it. Look at that! I didn't know! Okay, so here's the inside of the wig. We've got your combs on the side, not one in the front, which is cool because why would you? And there's a comb right here in the back too. I'm gonna go ahead, lace it up, not lace it up. These are, they're not sneakers. And, okay, I got it all tight and now I'm gonna throw it on my dome. And we're gonna see if that. On my ear. What do you think? I mean, I think it's fine. I feel like I'm giving, I'm gonna take back my Rick James and I'm gonna say probably more Diana. If I knew how to shape, I could shape this wig up. And I think if you sprayed like some water and some mousse in it, we could tame it a lot better. It's really ridiculously soft. I don't really know what else to say about it other than it's very full too. I think it's official. I think I'm slowly falling in love with you. Oh, nap. You know what would help in this scenario if they didn't, just because of the texture on this wig, what would be cool is if they put in a wide tooth comb. I think that would be really dope. Let me go ahead and take this off. It's hot as hell in here. I'm not naked, I promise. It's just, it's spaghetti strap. And look, the more I comb it out with my fingers too, I'm falling more in love with it. Maybe I can find a comb around here. Here's a brush. That's the wrong kind of brush though. We're not gonna use that one. Let me find a comb and I'll be right back. Okay, so I came back with more than just a comb. I came back with water and mousse. I'm gonna try some things, okay? I feel like there's no way I'm gonna be able to get by and not have to learn how to do some shaping. Good thing there's YouTube. Off of the gloss. Off the gloss hair. This wig might have to be treated like my Shein wig. And if you haven't seen that one, I'll give you a brief explanation, but if you want fun, I'll link the video too. Just spray it down with some water and then add a little bit of mousse. My bad. Take a little bit of the mousse and add that into the hair. This is more of the pattern that I was looking for. So I think I'm gonna have to treat this hair like I did that Shein hair. Wet her up and then I'm just doing the fronts right now because literally I ain't got nowhere to go. I've got nowhere to go, okay? Should I do the bangs too? I think doing the bangs would only make sense, right? Yeah. Ow, my whole eyeball, bro. Okay, we hear you. Sorry, I have Sailor Moon playing in the background. Yes, 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 baby, yes. I am loving this. I think that's just gonna be it. Like, this is just gonna have to be the way to go because this to me is gorgeous right now. I believe I got this in the 26 inch? Not 26, oh my God, 16. We got it in a 16 inch. So I think it only gave me two options, 14 and 16. And I was like, oh, with my luck, I'll picture the 14 as the 16 and then, you know, it'll just be a mess. So I'm glad I picked the 16 because the 16 is the actual length that I was going for. I think it's super cute. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Should I show you the back? I might be embarrassed. Let me know if I embarrassed myself. I'll never know. Here's the back. Is it good? Was it good or did I embarrass myself? It was probably fine. I love it. I like it a lot. I do. I love it. And the shipping on this wig wasn't even that bad. The shipping was pretty fast. The shipping, it said 3 to 5 days. I got it within 3 to 5 days. So I'm not mad at it. I also like, I really love it. I feel like if I knew how to shape, sorry. I feel like if I knew how to shape, it could be cuter than what it is, but I don't. And I spent good money on this hair. I'm not gonna be the one to get up, you know what I mean? That's pretty much all I got for this episode, for this video. I probably have another one coming up pretty soon, depending on if my local postal service wants to act right. I hate that place. Anywho, if you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And then if you're new around these parts, go ahead and hit that subscriber button too. Hit it. Come on, join this beautiful ass gang. Everybody's always welcome. And while you're right there, there's a whole ass notification bell you can click too. So go ahead. Go ahead, click it. Click the little bell. Comment if you like to, and I will see you next time, boo. Comment what your thoughts on this wig. Have you even shopped at Gorgius before? Have you even heard of them? Are you aware of them? I'm gonna be doing this all day for no reason. Anywho, I'll catch you next time, boo. Bye.